day wears on. And to the northwest, the rain continues. Very good afternoon to you. It looks like we're set for a fairly pleasant week of autumnal weather. There are going to be weather fronts around flirting with the west of the British Isles to start the week, but then high pressure is going to be building in from the north and the west and sinking southwards and eastwards. And that's going to bring essentially a lot of dry weather. It'll mean misty and foggy mornings at times, maybe one or two showers in some coast areas, but I think for most of us it will be dry and quite chilly at times as we end the week. Anyway, this afternoon we're looking at really hazy skies across most of the British Isles. There is thicker cloud, particularly so up to the northwest, and that's going to continue to affect these northwestern parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland as we go through into the evening, bringing patchy rain into those areas. And to the far southwest, we may see a little bit of rain moving into the southwestern parts of Devon and Cornwall as the night wears on. In between, it's clear skies, another chilly night with a ground frost, particularly in these central, more eastern areas, as temperatures fall to just a degree or so above freezing. And that's going to take us into a misty and foggy start to the week on Monday in many areas. The thicker cloud and some patchy rain out in the western districts, perhaps some patchy rain also affecting parts of southwest Wales, Devon and Cornwall again throughout the day. And over the northernmost areas, well, that rain will become rather more fragmented in some areas, but will persist particularly so over the northwestern regions of Scotland. And quite a warm day in the south once again, that is for the time of year, 14s to 15s, the general sort of best temperatures. Now moving ahead into Tuesday, there's very little change over most of southern Britain, misty and foggy to start the day, patchy rain in the north and northwest there. Some brighter breaks as the cloud tends to die away and the rain tends to dry up, so for example Northern Ireland brightening up into the afternoon, as will do the northernmost parts of England. And then on Wednesday, the high pressure really becoming quite well established. The winds coming round off the North Sea, the temperatures there 12 to 14. Now that may bring some thicker cloud into some northern and eastern areas, and we may see some drizzly bits of rain, but I think essentially the northern western areas brightening up and drying up, and after the early mist and fogs, the weather mostly fine and dry across the bulk of England and Wales. On Thursday and Friday, we end the week that high pressure very much centred over the British Isles. It means the flowing off the North Sea could see some thicker cloud down these easternmost coastal areas at times, maybe some drizzly bits to start the day. As the day brightens up, maybe just one or two light showers affecting some of those areas. But elsewhere through most of the British Isles, it's a dry story, sunny spells after a chilly start in places to the day. So really then a summary for the week ahead under those anticyclonic conditions is mostly dry with some